angat pa, hindi pa. Ayan, bitaw. Ayan, oh. Nagpapausok si Boss Nico Soria. Ayan, oh. Approaching siya dito sa may tubig. Ayaw mandar. Oh man. Oh Jesus. Oh man. So, first day of event. Eto na. Papunta na si Sir Robert Abbas. Well, next to me is the famous, my friend, Commander Daot.
Famous, you're the king of our float.
Alright, glad to see you, man. So, I'll be working with Commander Daot in Dong Barge. Si Sir. Alright, so we're gonna chase all these racers, right?
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna be running. I'm gonna stand there and zoom. No?
You're an expert with that camera, though. Alright, man. Welcome to second rough and rugged 4x4 competition here in
Pa-picture tayo, tatlo at apat tayo.
Kalayan,
Sige.
Davao. Team Ironman, Team CST, andito na sa Mindanao, Davao. Mga bisita natin. Mr. Pretty Boy, I'm glad nagkita tayo ulit. Galingan mo, ha. Welcome to Davao, Madam Shai. Idol Dos. Galingan nyo. Dito na rin ang Team CST. Yan. Mayor Derek Gahite ng Team Rizal. Ito na rin ang mga race rig ng Cotabato 4-wheelers. Spotted na rin si Sir Joey Rarang at ang kanyang anak na si Rafael. Alright. I-enjoy yung mag-asawa. Ito na rin si Sir Alkim Galarosa and si Sir Teng Bayawan ng Sambuanga. Boss Jano, ready na ba yung rig natin?
Yes, ready na, boss.
Alright, Team Kuyaw.
Team Kuyaw.
Gentlemen, ano masasabi natin sa racetrack?
Bala na si Tala bukas.
Grabe. All the best. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Team Alright, galingan natin. Sir, grabe, ang sarap ng mga prutas na dinala mo sa amin. Alright.
Yun sa kanila.
Thank you. So, hapon na, tapos na mag-track read ang mga competitors. Papunta na kami sa fellowship night. Alright? Yan. Punta na tayo doon. Kasunod natin si Master Richard C. Mga idol! Yan tayo, mga race na natin. Maura. Yan, Land Cruiser. Good afternoon, sir! Yan. Oh, napakaganda naman tong Hilux ng Prime Lube, oh. Boss!
Davao, buong Team Extreme Makeover, and of course, ang ating Prime Lube, Third Champ, ito yung mga sponsor natin, ito yung dahilan kung bakit tayo ay nag-create ng event na ito kahit walang support ng ating city. Again, welcome to everybody. Thank you.
Pwede natin gamitin ang usapan na natin. O sabi nyo ng boss ko, Team Rabidor. Mabuhay ka, Congressman Mike!
Nice! So, tapos na yung fellowship night kagabi. Ngayon, Carrera Day. Okay? So, eto si Sir Robert Abas. Number 1 na naman. Good luck!
Walang pinag-iba.
Alright, kasi number 1 siya sa Marawi. Mahirap ang basal, ano?
Oh.
Galingan mo, sir!
Yeah, thank you.
Kick off na si Sir Robert Abas. Galing! So, iikot siya doon. Oh, nasa creek siya. Hindi natin siya abulin doon. So, andito tayo. Pinasok natin ang SS1. Ang ganda, maganda, malamig dito. Kasi look, nandito tayo sa creek. They say, mababaw lang naman yung creek. Pero, malamig. Maganda rito. Eto na, naririnig na natin ang V6 ni Vice Governor Mujam Adjong. He's inside the forest. Nice. You see? At tulugan pa lang. Uy! There you go! Finish line! Pagod! Salamat, natapos na si Vice Gob. Alright, Team Kuyaw!
Kuya, oh.
Si Jiggy Rodriguez to. Ito na si Sir Cady Sumandar ang nasa racetrack Tower 22 ng Team Kuyaw. Grabe ah. Ito yung loading natin doon. Good. Iahon mo. Ito si Jason Flores. Grabe ah. Ulin. Kumataw. Hindi natin kinakapon. Ayun o. Tuloy niya. Ito ang nasa racetrack, isang buggy. Ayun, naka CST Tars. Ay, si Gian Narciso. Yan, magaling tong batan to. Sogitan. Oh, Nil Abena. Wow. Jesus. It's too fast, man.
He's quick. He's
Yeah.
quick.
Yeah.
There we are.
Oy. Oh.
He comprehends. He thought, oh, there's no more trail. It's easy.
So, puntahan natin si Mr. Ten Bayawa. Good morning, bro. Galingan mo ah.
Sir Mark Bayawa, SS2.
Yan. And he is using CST Dragon Claw.
On Nexus 1,
Yan, ganda ng gulong yan.
standby.
Eto na.
Bike is 4x4
King
shop.
Bayawa.
Team
Ang
Liao.
racer.
RPF Trucking. ZMP Bagalista. Get ready. Next car on deck, followed by Corporation Hyundai Construction.
Wow, dinaanan lang ah.
T1
Galing.
Season.
Maganda yung run niya ha. Pag natapos niya to na maganda, malaki chance niya maging, best time dito sa track B or SS2. Si Mr. Teng Bayawa. Tahimik lang yung sasakyan niya kasi naka 2F Land Cruiser 6-cylinder gas engine. Right? Well, napapatad na yung racetrack. Hindi na siya nahihirapan. Well, unlike sa first run kanina. Galingan mo, sir, ha? Anong team ito? Team Cotabato. Yan. Ito, pabalik na si El Presidente.
Next race. We'd like to announce everybody that our next race schedule will be on October 5,
Datu James.
6 and 7. And then
Pan-
sa may Angeles City tayo sa Centrala.
Yan.
Angeles City.
Pabalik na
October
siya,
12 and 13.
Yun.
Angeles City. So after Julius Marquez, please get ready. Mr. Marquez Cavite.
Sir Julius Marquez ng Team Cotabato. Alright. Ito na. Ready na ako para habulin si
This is
Mayor Derek.
extreme category. On SS2, we have Mr. Derek Cavite. Please get ready and stop by March Governor Luzon.
Nadali rin. Well done, Sir Derek Cavite. Hi! Ano masasabihin nyo kay Daddy, kay Papa? Alright, mga mahihain sila sa camera. Alright, I'm gonna catch your Daddy. Say, eto na siya. Si Sir Altin Galarosa ang papuntang starting box. Is about to kick off. Yan, kick off na siya. Alright. Yan, galing, galing. Ito na siya ulit. Birahe daw. Test time! Nice! Alright, welcome to Night SS. Okay. Eto na, approaching siya sa tubig. Look, how deep is it, you know? It wasn't that bad.
Next one, Wayne Evangelista. Follow
So, ayan, nagkamali si Dencio Garcia.
after Jiggy Rodriguez. Calling Toyok.
Re-recover siya.
Evangelista. Will Kazi Sumandar. Alger.
Natid ko na si Commander Daud sa kalis na siya. Thank you so much Panorama Summit Hotel. Dito kami naka-stay, mga competitors, mga bisita. Grabe, ang ganda ng hotel. Morning. Morning everyone. It's the final and second day today, man. So next to me is Commander Daot and
Next to me is F. Ganadin.
all right, thank you so much. How are you? Are you good?
I'm good. I need coffee.
Oh.
I'm good.
I will gonna ask copy
Let's get
a
going.
bit later. So what can you say? What happened, yesterday? Did you enjoy the event?
Yesterday was great. This is a good event. The courses are good, and the level of competition is good as well.
All right, man. I've noticed you got this KRT shirt. Yeah, you like it?
I got given this earlier. It's nice, it's comfortable.
All right, man.
KRT. What does KRT stand for?
Kapampangan Racing Team.
Ah,
It should be English Racing Team, man. All right. Maghapon kami dito to catch all these, racers. All right. All the best to all competitors. Nice. Thank you so much, Commander Daot.
thank you so much, F. Ganadin. Adventure, the king of off-road.
All right. Thank you, my.
Wala pa.
Mayor. Final day, Sir Herman.
Yes.
Final day. All right. Galingan natin.
Bihis muna, bihis.
Good morning. Si Boss Amo. Good morning. Final day. Right, good morning gentlemen. Let me interrupt this. Good morning. Race Director. Grabe ang ganda ng event mo Ha.
Salamat, F. Sana susunod, Jensan tayo.
Alright, grabe si Coach Joshua Reyes, maganda pinapakita mo. At saka yung si Master, si Boss Michael Serene. Sige, nabandings ka. Babawi yan, babawi. Ito si Herman Veneracion ang nasa racetrack. Wow. Kaya papunta na siya sa finish line. So, something went wrong. Good morning, sir. Ben, final day, ha? Galingan mo. Kaya, may problema pa sa sasakyan si Sir Herman Veneracion. Ah. Final day, Team Digos. Yan. Sir Herman,
Yes!
kahapon ba kita inaabangan?
Ay, yan nangyari.
Medyo sineswerte, right?
Tayo yung takbo.
Kaya nga, umandar na. Ito na ulit, papuntang finish line na si Sir Herman Veneracion. Oh. na ulit. Finish line. Sir Ewan! Galingan mo. Yan. Okay, off na siya. Galing! Yan. Lumilipad. Wow. Tingnan niya natin. Uy, dinaanan niyo. Galing. Ang husay ha. Oh, careful! Atras! So, bunting there. Kailangan niya iwasan yon. Baka mag-best time pa to ha. Matulin eh. Eto na. Towards finish line na. Sir Ewan. Evangelista. Ang galing ha. Ilan? Sir Ewan, grabe ha. Best time man. Galing. Andito yung mga Team Digos 4-wheelers. Thank you so much. Ang ganda ng event dito sa Davao. Alright. Welcome to SS6 Mayor Mike Wong. Andito siya sa creek. Oh, look. Look at the creek. Doon. Grabe, nawiwili na sa competition si Mayor Wong ha. So, ito yung finish line ha. Mahirap pa rin. There you go. Ito si Sir Teng Teng Payawa. Marami na ang video sa kanya ha. CST user yan. There you go. Finish line. Eto na. Okay, parating na. Alright. Dito sa SS6. Sabi no. Si Sir Nel Apena. Doon. Obstacle Kuya Hadi, Team Kuyaw. Yeah, he's from Lanao.
Okay.
Did you see the jump? Definitely gonna invite you soon, man. To see Lanao. Oh, si Michael Sarin ang nasa racetrack dito sa SS6. Ready na tayo para habulin to. Look at this climb. Ang taas. Grabe. Galing, galing. Happy birthday, Mr. Michael Sarin. Naman dito sa SS6 si Jocelyn Flores. Grabe ang tuloy, no? Sabrek! Grabe ang... Look at the climb, man! Grabe. Congratulations, grabe yung event mo, ha?
See you next year, hopefully.
So, magdedire-diretso na to.
Design na tayo, hopefully.
Well, thank you so much, Matrel, ha?
Kita tayo din sa next year.
Very well done. Eto, si Pretty Boy, bumawi ka, ha?
See you in Bicol.
See you in Bicol, you know, you have to change your rig. Ha? Riot, see you in Riot. Alright, Boss Remos, I'm glad you're here. Thank you so much. Ayan, oh. Thank you so much, Commander Dao. That was a fantastic shot.
And rugged 4x4 off-road competition.
Cheers, man. Cheers, cheers.
Lilian's Montegaray Resort.
Thank you so much. Well done. Nice run. Congratulations.
I think you're happy.
Definitely. Definitely. Sir Joseph Rodriguez. Unang-una, congratulations, ha. Napakasaya yung event. Very successful. Alright, konting mensahe lang sa ating mga manlalaro.
Thank you very much. Congratulations sa Team Rabinol for the successful race and happy lang.
So, kailan ko ulit makikita ang Team Rabinol?
Sa Riot, Nick, no?
Ayun na si Mikey. Kailan namin ulit makikita si Mikey at saka si Sir Joseph at ang team ng Rabinol? Kailan?
Sa Riot 2024.
Right, 2024. So, see you there, guys. Ayan, thank you.
Laban lang.
Laban lang, grabe.
Never surrender.
I know, iwas politiko.
Oh!
Yan, happy lang. Oh, thank you so much, Sir Richard C. ARB, Team Rabinol. Look at Commander Daot. He got Rabinol oil as well.
Yeah.
Boss Remus. And the rest of the guy. Picture. Idagdag ko lang. Thank you so much, Prime Lube Lubricants. Team Rabinol, ARB, CST for my sponsor. Alright, grabe. Ang saya-saya ng event dito. Very well done. So much Team Del Monte. Grabe yung suporta nyo dito sa Davao, ha? Yan, si Joshua Reyes, naging ano naman, artista, Fred Garage. MYT. Ah, hello diyan. Thank you. Grabe, saya. Si Amo. I love you. Oh, thank you so much, Team Riot. Madam Shai, Madam Mayor Derek. Sorry sa interruption. Thank you so much. Grabe yung suporta nyo dito. Riot. MYT. Boss. Ang ating idol si Dos Sugitan. Nag-enjoy ka ba?
Jesus Christ.
Grabe, ano. I like that line. Eto. Si Fred Garage. Sanjay. Teng. Grabe. See you sa Riot.
Jesus Christ.
Madam.
Jesus Christ! Oh my God!
May best time ka naman eh. Kuya Derek.
What a clever move.
Thank you so much, Prime Love!